Do your knees feel stiff when you get out of bed in the morning? Does your body feel weaker than it used to? Does even a short walk leave your legs aching and sore? If you answered yes to any of these, you are not alone. Joint pain affects millions of people worldwide, and most of us handle it the same way. We rush to the doctor, collect a bag full of painkillers, and hope for the best. But here is something worth thinking about. Those painkillers only block your brain from feeling pain. They do not fix the actual problem inside your joints. And with long term use, they quietly damage your kidneys and stomach lining. Today, I want to share something different, a completely natural solution that has been used in Asia for centuries. And science is now proving why it actually works. It is called makhana, also known as fox nuts, and it could be the missing piece in your joint health journey. What exactly is makhana? Makhana is the seed of the lotus flower harvested from the depths of fresh water ponds. It looks like a small white puffed ball, and you can find it easily in most Asian grocery stores worldwide. Do not let its simple appearance fool you. This tiny seed is packed with some of the most important nutrients your joints and bones desperately need. Here is what is inside every handful. As we age, our bones density naturally decreases, a condition doctors call osteoporosis. Makhana or fox nuts is loaded with calcium, which helps restore and maintain that lost density. It also contains magnesium, which relaxes your muscles. If you experience leg cramps or muscle tightness at night, that is often a sign of magnesium deficiency. And makhana directly addresses that. Perhaps most importantly for joint pain sufferers, makhana contains powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation inside your body. Joint pain is almost always caused by inflammation, especially when the cartilage between your joints wear down and the surrounding tissue becomes irritated and swollen. Makhana helps protect that cartilage and naturally improves the lubrication inside your joints. It also has a very low glycemic index, meaning diabetics can safely eat it without worrying about blood sugar spikes. And because it improves the digestion, your body absorbs nutrients from all your food more efficiently, sending more goodness directly to your bones. Simple tip: lightly dry roast makhana in a pan on low heat until crunchy. Never deep fry it in oil or ghee. That destroys the nutrients. Aim for one good handful daily as part of your regular diet. Combine it with almonds and walnuts. Calcium alone is not enough to heal your joints. Your joints also need healthy fats to stay lubricated and functional. Think of it like an old creaky door hinge. You would not just tighten the screws, you would oil the hinge so it moves smoothly again. Your joints need exactly the same treatment. Almonds provide vitamin E and protein, which repair damaged tissues in your body. When your joints experience daily wear and tear, almonds help rebuild what has broken down. Walnuts are one of the nature's richest sources of omega 3 fatty acids, compounds that are scientifically proven to reduce inflammation throughout the body. One important tip most people miss: soak your almonds and walnuts overnight in water before eating them. Soaking removes their natural heat and makes them far easier to digest, allowing your body to absorb the full benefits. When you combine soaked almonds and walnuts with makhana daily, you are giving your joints everything they need: calcium for strength, healthy fats for lubrication, and antioxidant for protection. Aim for 5 almonds and 2 walnuts alongside your makhana each day. The makhana and milk remedy. For those with serious or chronic joint pain, here is a time tested remedy that takes things a step further. Flax seeds, also called linseeds, are extraordinary for joint health. They contain some of the highest concentration of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids found in any natural food. They flush toxins from your body and reduce full body inflammation remarkably well. One important note, always slightly roast flax seeds before grinding them into powder. The outer shell is too tough for your stomach to break down. So, grinding makes the nutrients fully available to your body. Now, here is the powerful combination. Take a glass of warm milk and add 10 to 15 pieces of makhana. Bring it to a gentle boil. Then stir in half a teaspoon of ground flax seeds powder. If you prefer it sweet, add a small drizzle of honey, but avoid refined sugar completely. Drink this either at night before bed or in the morning with your breakfast. Why does this work so well? Milk is rich in both calcium and vitamin D. Many people, particularly those who work indoors, are deficient in vitamin D, and without it, your body simply cannot absorb calcium no matter how much you consume. This warm drink solves both problems together, making it especially beneficial for older adults who struggle with walking or movement, making it work the lifestyle factor. Here is the honest truth. Makhana alone will not fix everything if the rest of your lifestyle is working against you. Cut out sugar and refined flour. Sugar is one of the primary drivers of inflammation in the body. The exact same inflammation destroying your joints. You cannot eat makhana on one hand and drink soda on the other and expect results. Drink more water. The fluid cushioning your joint is mostly water. When you are dehydrated, when you are hydrated, that cushion shrinks. Your joints grind against each other and pain increases. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Move your body. Even gentle daily walking improves blood circulation to your joints, ensuring nutrients actually reach your bones. You do not need intense exercise, just consistent, gentle movement. Commit to 30 days. Natural remedies work differently from painkillers. They do not mask symptoms overnight. They actually repair the underlying problem. That takes time. Stay consistent for 30 days and the results will genuinely surprise you. Your fatigue will decrease, your sleep will improve, and that stubborn joint pain that has troubled you for years will begin to fade. Your health is your responsibility. Nature has provided remarkable tools. We just need the right information to use them properly. Start today, stay consistent, and give your body the chance to heal itself from the inside out. Share this with someone who needs it. You might change their life. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.